Yeah, what's up, guys? It's a boy Vussanie in the building. You already know what it is. On this episode, I want to show you guys more results before we go into the analysis of how I'm actually able to get these trades. Okay, so now we just logged into my into my world markets. It's a live account, you can see. And at the moment, I told you I don't keep any money in the trading account. I only keep money in the bank account. So what happened today? Because I'm in today's market, or today's history, so to speak. Right. So I funded 204. Funded with 1K. Give us a 200% bonus. I think I should get an affiliate link from thing, so I can hook you guys up with this broker. You understand? But yeah, they gave us 200% bonus, which was 2K. Now we're 3K to trade with. Entered US30 and then sell. It was selling hard. So we're selling hard in the midnight. So we made a little bit profit there, 2.3 profit. That's more than 100% of this. So the aim is, I'm not trying to make a lot of money on a single trade, you understand? Small wins also matter. So I don't really see it as a small win. To me, I'm just like doing what I need to be doing every day, regardless of how much money I actually make, you understand? So 2.3 sharp, withdraw everything, which is 3.3 now from this 1K, right? And this was in less than 30 minutes. You can see it was funded in 4 minutes past 2, and then withdrawal at 28 minutes past, right? Funding another one at 28 minutes past still, and then they give us another 2K, and then what? About 15 minutes later, 1,400 plus 153. I would have made more here, but hey, I didn't want to get too greedy and lose, you know what I'm saying, lose everything. So I ended up securing this little thing, this little money there, and then withdraw everything, 2.3 again. So yeah, okay, so yeah, this was a little bit less than this one, you understand, but it's still profits either way, so sharp. And then fund again. I think I funded again, yeah. I withdrew 2.3 and then I funded again with another 1K at 3:47. Right? There was 3 minutes past 3. There was like 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, I funded again. And then here we made 1.4, and then I entered more here. Here I was ready to blow it. If I blew it, I was fine still, because you know what I'm saying, I was deep in profit. So here we made about 3.2, right? The first withdrawal was what? Was 3.3. Okay, so it was still less than the first withdrawal, but it was close. 3.2. You know, withdraw that. All in all, this is 6,200 in the space of an hour. You understand? So after that, what did we do? Let me just see if I can find a screenshot. After that, we went to withdraw everything, obviously, with the initial thing, with the initial 1K, which is 7.2 thousand rands, which I want to just withdraw same time. We're not playing games like that. So guys, listen, withdraw all the time. And then now let's go into how I'm finding these trades. All right, we're back in the building. I want to share with you guys the charts, because it doesn't help if I'm just explaining without showing you exactly why or how I managed to think. I'm trying this screen sharing thing on a new laptop, so yeah, it's gonna share for sure this time. Okay, let's go to full screen real quick. Okay, I want to show you how the US30, because lately I told you guys I'm mostly focused on US30, so I want to show you the structure just going on versus the structure I was trading today. You understand? So we're gonna go to 240, which is the H4 time frame is where this market is the way the structure is going these days. You understand? It hasn't been moving in a trend, as you can see from this level. You see, from this level to this level, this market is just going, it either goes up, down, and you understand. So that's the thing. The other thing I want to look at, we might be at a support zone. You see this level here, It's another level. I knew there has to be a level also. Yeah, there's a level here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, where we are. This is where we are now. So chances are it's gonna start going up from tomorrow onwards, just off of this quick analysis. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame, because I'm also analyzing now at the same time while I'm explaining this thing to y'all. You understand? So yeah. So what I'm talking about is this. Okay, let's just cancel this for a while. Do you see this level here on the, yeah, we're on the daily. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I want to see, well, like, what's about to happen now. So to do that, because we don't know what the market is going to choose to do, but we can just throw this like this. You understand? Then we have this zone that's highlighted. But most chances are we're going to see a reaction tomorrow. So just be ready to buy in case anything. Over. So we're going to go back to what? H4. So in the H4, this thing was dropping. I can't draw a trend line because I told you it's moving sideways, this thing. So because now it's been going down, I managed to find this pattern here, which is on the H1. I want H1 in the building. Make some noise for H1. Ladies and gentlemen, like the video for H1. Yeah, so you see, this is the pattern I managed to find. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, today didn't touch. Yo, I was waiting for this one too, but it didn't touch. So, but either way, it is what it is. So 1, 2, 1, 2 at the top and 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. This is how, like, this descending channel has been moving. But me, the whole time I was trading within this box here. If I can just highlight this box here, that's where me now. I was trading the whole time within here. So I'm gonna show you how exactly I managed to find this buys and sells. And then it's chai for this video. So we're gonna go to 15 minutes. Then you're gonna see something great. Not even 15 minutes. Okay, before we go to M5, 15 minutes. Can you see? Okay, I'm gonna add session break so you can see where the market opens and where the market closes. Session zone settings, and then we want session breaks. I want to push P. You see now, this is where our line is. So for every line you see, that means it's a new trading day. Understand? Like in SA, because I changed the time zone to actually work in like South African time. You see now it's saying 23 what down there. The time zone is, if I'm not mistaken, Cape Town. I like to, yeah, it's Johannesburg, so that's the thing. My time frame is going with the same way as South African time. You know what makes sense. Sharp. So the market opens there, goes to a high, goes to make a low, goes to test the same high, goes to test the same low, goes to make a new high, comes back within the range, and then retests the structure before dropping. And then we had another retest there. Damn, I missed this one, but it's fine. It's fine. Now we're gonna go to M5. Because you need to see the structure in detail. I wasn't really doing much today. I was just trading within the structure. So this is what was happening. I allowed the market to operate and give me a structure. So the market gave me this high, and then it went to what? Went to make this low, right? So the time I woke up in the morning, I think the market was somewhere around here. So I saw it going down to test this level. So because I told you, the market isn't moving in trends now. It's moving more in the form of levels. Focus more on levels than trend lines now. I mean, they still work, but you get what I'm saying. Ne? So I saw the market going to this level to test. And then after I saw this rejection, this candlestick, I think I saw this candlestick and then allowed it to push down a little bit. Then I entered at that zone, right? Long position. I opened a long position, I think somewhere there, right? The SL can't be too far because why? The SL can't be too far because you can see the high was here and the low was there. So if it goes any further, that means it's breaking out of this zone and it's going to make a new one. So there's no reason for me to put like a wide stop loss. And the TP, I can't set it back here. I need to set it at a level where I know it's gonna reach. So in the middle is fine. You see? So the market goes, it reaches value, and yeah, that's fine. That part is fine. You understand? So now the thing is, the market goes back up. It's approaching what? It's approaching this level again. So I knew this thing is moving in a range. It was confirmed. So all I waited for was this. You see this candlestick? The moment this candlestick went to push above this zone, I knew it's gonna reject. Because if it respected the level below, it's also gonna respect the level at the top. So what do? We push P. You understand? So we entered this level exactly there. Guys, we're operating a sniper style. I'm telling you. Operating a sniper style. Target still in the middle. I don't want to ride this thing all the way down. You understand? I just want to push P and leave. So it went down again. It went to test this zone. I mean, guys, it was obvious. You saw I showed you three trades. So when it came to test here, obvious. You understand? You know the vibes. And sometimes you're gonna have to do this, which is the reason why I showed you guys the descending channel on H4. It's because sometimes it's not in the form of a range, market. When a market is moving sideways, sometimes it's in the form of a descending pattern or rising pattern or wedge. So you still need to know your basics. You know what I'm saying? The stuff that we all got for free when you started this thing. So I entered this, and then it went to test there. I didn't enter there because it didn't exactly make contact. I need contact. If I don't see contact, I don't enter. So I went there, and then it broke out, right? So when it broke out, it came and made this level. This is a new level. Don't mind the trend line. That's just for the channel. So it went and made this level, and then it went to a next level. Then it came back. You can still retest this zone. So you can still buy there, but I didn't buy there. I didn't enter. I only entered when it came back here to retest. You see, this level and this level, same level. So I entered there, and then we entered for a sell. I think that was my last trade. No, I can't have stop losses this wide. That was my last trade. Hey, pray for the boy. The flu. Asa, pray for the boy. That's all I can say. You understand? So I entered here, and then the trade closed there. You understand? It closed there. I was supposed to enter there low key, but I'll wait. Listen, because I was looking at the H4, I thought this thing is supposed to come and test this level. I thought this level is, strong. It's going to come test it. But it only came and tested there, and it took off. And if you can see how far it went, yo, devastated. Still retested there, but me now, I was done for the day, Joe. I made money off all these 4 trades, so I was done for the day. You understand? So, yeah, the structure right there is violated. We don't need this structure anymore. Then now what we can focus on is, what's this thing? Let me just remove this lines, because we don't need them no more. Sharp is out. And then now what are we doing? We're pushing P. So 15 minutes. I'm gonna go back to 15 minutes. Told you this level, it's psychological, this level, because it's a previous support for a lot of past data. So now what I'm expecting, the price can push down maybe to test here, but if the price comes value to test here, it's a massive buy. We're gonna buy this thing for days. But if we see a rejection here, there has to be a pattern. You can't just reject without giving us a clue like that is gonna reject or it's gonna turn. It has to either give us double bottoms or just what? All these things, a flag pattern or something. There has to be something that's gonna show us what's going on. But yeah, we're in this wedge right now, and pay attention to it because we're about to make money in the building, and don't want y'all to miss out on any bag. You understand? So coming at you live. Do we have any final words? Final words is Joe, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification icon. I told you I'm gonna bring receipts. I'm gonna bring more content like this. Don't worry. And if you like it, leave a nice message. Yeah, and there I will also love your message. Understand? Boy, vussanie in the building. Peace out.